Hi, Selena from the Mind Body Project, and I'm here to tell you that you are awesome. That's right, you are. Even if you don't think you are sometimes, you're awesome. Now, I tell this to people quite a lot of the time. I say, you are awesome, you're brilliant at this. And they go, yeah, I know you're trying to be nice. And then after I've slapped them a few times, and then they realise that I'm actually right, then they start feeling good about themselves. I go, yeah, but there's 20 things that I usually say to people. So I'm going to tell you what they are. I'm going to tell you 20 reasons why you are awesome. Yep. So let's go then. Number one. And before I go on to that, actually, I just want to say thanks for subscribing. Thanks for listening to the videos. I enjoy making them, and it's good to go out there and get the research and actually find some things and interesting topics and for you guys to actually hear. So thank you for following me. It's growing, the list's growing, so I'm doing something right. So thank you very much. So continue to share, subscribe, like and everything, and comment. I do read all your comments, so if you've got something to say, then please say it and I will respond. So, first of all, right, so 20 reasons why you are awesome. Right, number one, you are unique. Nobody can replace you. Nobody can replace you. There's only you around. No one has had the experiences, no one thinks the same, no one acts the same. You are unique. And once you're not here, or once I'm not here, then that's it. And we're going to be truly missed because there is only one of us. So the first reason is, like, you are you. And you need to start using that as an advantage. So use that as an advantage, because I hear a load of people say, I want to be normal. And I'm like, why? What does normal mean? You point to a normal person. There is no normal people, there are only unique people. You don't want to be like somebody else. You want to be you, and you want to be the best you possible. So that is number one. So number one is you are unique.